DJ, that's my DJ. Go DJ, that's my DJ. Go DJ, that's my DJ. Go DJ, yeah.
Y'all know what it is. In this bitch. Show but to start. Prepping, getting it right. It's the life of DJ Fat, you understand me? And what nation, what he do? HSNT, go DJ to LA. Rock out. Bow. I'm inside the radio doing my thing, just like you doing your thing. Hit me up 320 KMJ Jason, number to call, get your shout out and all that. Shout out to my That's how we do it. Up in this thing. DJ Street posted Batman R&B leaders. You big on me Fat Life inside the radio. Shout out to Mom and Lil Bill, what it is, man. Shout out to my people at the bottom, K-Side, what up? Strop City, my people everywhere, man. My people in Strop City listening to me right now on the internet, man. We getting it in. Shout out to my people all in East Texas, all that there. You got any shouts? Hit me up 320 KMJ Jason. I'm gonna go and don't forget next hour. Most Wanted 7 at 7. I'm gonna get somebody broken out with a pair of tickets to the Boot Thing Bash Saturday. Murray and Awesome. Fuck it, start this bitch over. Hey, who is this?
Key.
Who?
Key.
Key?
Mm-hmm.
How you doing, Key?
Good.
You feeling lucky, Key?
Yeah.
Key sound like you sleep.
No.
Hey, dude, Key, you sleep?
No.
Shout out to Key. Key got herself broken off with her KMJJ exclusive passes to the Boot Thing Bash. Going down June 30th, Hertz Coliseum. Shout out to Key. You dig that, Key? I ain't gonna call your real name out because I don't know what your mama was thinking. But hey, Key, do your thing. Keep it down, lock on the way back. Got some more requested music right here on the big station 997. KMJJ. That does it for me. I am gone. Got the swag out. Show the young Nisa coming up next, man. Make sure you hit up. Sweet Dreams Dedication. You got the G-Spot popping. All that 320 KMJJ is the number to call. Like I tell you each every night. Put God first and you can achieve anything. Any problems going on in your life, take it to the man above. When you take it to him, make sure you leave him there. I guarantee you, he'll see you through your storm. You dig? Yeah. I see y'all tomorrow. Same time, same Ratchet place. Ratchet back here on the big station is 997. KMJJ. Let go. They got a break. Running from one room to another room, you understand me? Oh, y'all want to know what this Go DJ life about, what this headline stuff like ENT life about, man? I'm going to tell y'all. Y'all ain't, if you ain't built for this, you can't have this. We more than just a shirt. We more than just clicking niggas who DJ, clicking niggas who just take pictures and film. Nigga, this is our business. If we don't do this, nigga, we don't eat. You understand me? Half of you niggas doing this shit, but y'all got other jobs. Y'all ain't doing this shit for real. Y'all doing this shit for play. Fuck 'em.